Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. In this video, I'm going to make a very beautiful mural art with clay of Lord Ganesha on this canvas board. So first I've drawn the outline of Lord Ganesha on this canvas board with pencil. You can also use color pencil. So first mix both the substances and the result is here. Okay, we have to keep a glass of water with us. First apply the Fevicol on your desired area where you have to apply the clay and then apply in the same manner. And you have to use water at regular intervals to smoothen your work. अपने वर्क को स्मूथ करने के लिए चिकना बनाने के लिए you have to use water in the same way as I'm doing now. Okay, usage of water also removes the cracks, so I'm doing this for that reason also. Okay, so follow the same steps as shown in the video. And one more thing, if you have any query regarding this video or any other video, then you can always comment down in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply your questions. Okay, so follow the same steps and you can see I'm using water very much. So you also have to apply water. You can see. Now use any used pen, pencil or any molding tool to make the folds of his dhoti. इनके धोती के ऊपर जो folds होता है ना सिल्वर, उन्हें बनाने के लिए you can use any used pen or pencil. So see how I'm doing. In case you recreate this art, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle. I'll be happy to see your work. This is my first attempt in mural art with clay. Before this, I have tried lippen art, oil painting, acrylic painting, oil pastel, watercolor painting, mandala art, madhubani painting and many more. But this is my first attempt in mural art. So I am very much interested in knowing that which is your favorite artwork. So please comment down in the comment section that which is your favorite artwork. And also comment that what should I make after this. Okay, so I will draw that only, whatever you will say. I decided to make this mural art dedicated to God Ganesh because Ganesh Chaturthi is coming. Ganesh Chaturthi is also known as Vinayak Chaturthi. It is the birthday of Lord Ganesha. So it is the birthday of Lord Ganesh. So that's why I decided to make this. And also I have never tried mural art, so I wanted to give it a try. So comment down in the comment section after the completion of this video that if you like the video, if you like my artwork or not. So if you will tell, then I will make more artworks like this. Many of you ask me that how much time does it take for me to complete my artworks. So let me tell you that different artworks take different time, but if I will talk about this artwork, then this artwork took me 2 days because it is clay, so clay needs some time to dry up, and also acrylic paints, so I have to wait also, and I have some other works also, so it took me 1.5 day, I can say. Okay, it's turn for the most difficult work now, that is his face making. So for his face and his trunk I have used a larger quantity of clay. इसके लिए बाकी जगह से ज़्यादा मैंने क्ले इस्तेमाल किया है बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड हिज फेस टू लुक मोर रियलिस्टिक एंड गिव इट अ 3D लुक. So that's why I used more clay here. So follow the same steps as you can see in the video, and meanwhile I am also using water to soften it, to smoothen it also. Okay, so you have to use water at regular intervals. You can see water is very much important because if you will not use water, then your artwork will look बहुत सा cracks बीच में लगेगा, right? So you have to use water a lot. Now his face, and I will make his eyes with black permanent marker, but if you want you can also make it with clay. So in one of my videos I have made the eyes also with clay, so you can, if you want, you can watch that video. Now I will color the whole artwork with white acrylic paint, because if I will apply the colors directly on the clay, then the colors will appear dull. But if first I will give a layer of white and then will color with different colors, then the colors will appear elegantly. So that's why I will use first white and then apply the colors. So now I'm using flesh tint color, you can see, as if now I have applied the colors only to the areas which are not covered with clay. Okay. Now it's turn to make his pagri. So to make his pagri, I have used A4 size paper. Now it's green. Then I will attach it with a stapler. Okay. And then I will apply Fevicol on the canvas board and will stick it. You can see how I'm doing. You can also, if you don't want to do this step, you can also make his pagri with acrylic paints. That would be more easier. Okay. So you can do that also. So you can see how I'm doing. Okay, so now to make his eyes and other detailing work, I have used black permanent marker. If you don't have black permanent marker, then you can also use black pen or black sketch pen or black acrylic color also. Okay, so see how I'm doing. In addition to his eyes and eyebrows, I have also used this black permanent marker to make the other detailing work, like this fingers. Okay, so you also have to do in the similar manner. So see how I'm doing. Okay. By this, we have reached to the end part of this video. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. In case you like the video or find the video useful, then give this video a thumbs up. And please comment down in the comment section that what should I make next. And once more, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone in advance.